Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Audi TT. If you have idea to sell your car, you must watch this video because you can save £1,000, lot of stress when you watch this video. Don't skip the video, have a look, take a good idea because this car I serviced last 5 years. I know every single fault of this car. This is good look after car, and in the clock 27,000 miles for around, I think this one 2013 model. So very low mileage, very well look after car. So this customer need to sell this car. So he asked he need to sell this car. What he need to do? I told him go to comparative website like Auto Trader or we buy any car. But however, he decided to go with personally selling this car. So he done the advert. Then one day, 3 guys came when little bit dark time. So dark time mean always favor for scammers or favor for them. It's red flag for the that time. If you want to sell your car, if sometime 3-4 people come and look at your car, because what they do, they will confuse you. What happened? 3 guy came. One guy opened the bonnet, and the one guy go to the boot, and one guy looking around that side open the doors and try to digging inside blah and things. Then what happened? Customer confusing. So poor old customer confusing. Then suddenly 3 guys around the car, customer on that side. So he is bit confused, poor old guy. Then one guy asked him to start the car, right? He jumped to the car and he start the car. I am not going to start the car. If I going to start the car, it will get more damage. So confusing mind, he entered the car, he start the car, and one guy said, "Oh, rev the car, rev the car, rev the car." Very rush, and asked him to rev the car. Right. While he rev the car, he noticed huge smoke in engine bay. Is scary. That what scammer needed, right? So they achieve their target. Then after that, while he start the car, they put oil around this area. I am assuming this is the thing happened. One guy hide the some use oil can like this, took it out and open this one and pour here, put it here and put it exhaust, and they put it oil into the coolant tank. So I'm assuming that's the thing happened. Okay, I'll go with you step by step and show you what they done. First of all, you can see plenty of oil here. I'll stick my finger. You can see very dark oil, right. Also I notice they put oil here. You can see oil here, oil bit. I can't put my finger. Yeah, bit inside, and this area too. Even they are not stopped from there. They already put oil to this side. You can see the top of the gearbox. This is the exhaust. You can see little bit shiny wet mark because it's already evaporate. This area also they put plenty oil, and I can see here also behind the firewall heat shield, you can see plenty oil that side also. What happened? They pour oil all around the engine. Then after that, once the customer start the car, one guy say, rev the engine, rev the engine, rev the engine. While it's rev, exhaust get hot. After that, it get smoke and evaporate oil. So that's thing it's happen. If you have a suspect your engine not good or your engine piston rings not good, you can do the compression test, or you can use the scan tool and check the live data for the compressor, spark plugs, like that things. Even if you has a head gasket problem, oil should be here, but it's not like a fresh oil like this. It's like a milky, junky stuff. So, and other thing, I'm going to prove you this oil, whatever black dark oil, is not belongs to petrol car. I'm not sure is it oil or something else. Yeah, definitely this is, when you smell, when I smell, I feel in this is diesel car oil, diesel engine oil, not even petrol, because I can smell diesel, right. I'll show you what's the different diesel engine oil and petrol engine oil. What I'm going to do, I will take out this dipstick, right, have a look what's the difference. This is petrol engine oil and diesel engine oil. Petrol engine oil little bit lighter, not like a black color. Basically they try to scam, even they don't know what's the petrol oil look like, what's the diesel oil look like, right. Now the hard problem, how we going to clean this thing. Normally engine bay cleaning and the surround the gearbox cleaning, it's very easy, it's not hard. If you have a like a brake cleaner like this, have a look. I will wipe here, then after that you can use the brake cleaner. Have a look what's the difference here and there after cleaning, right. Right, you can see the different. This side nice and clean, this side not clean yet, but we can use the brake cleaner like this and we can clean the engine bay. It's not any big hustle. But when you're going to clean the cooling system, that's a big problem and very tricky. Sometimes we have to flush 3-4 times, we have to use some detergent chemicals, it's a bit hard. You can clamp this pipe and you can clamp underneath the pipe, and after that you can remove the container and take out the old oil, because we know by theory, practically, if it water here, if you add oil top of the water, oil always floating. Then we can use that technology for the cleaning easy without start the car, because luckily this customer start like a 2-3 minutes. Even he didn't drive the car, so he recovered to here, then I know this car didn't start, then I'm not too much worried about the inside the cooling system. But however, first step first, need to remove the tank, clean and have a look, is it anymore. If it yes, we need to flush one time, keep it running. When it get hot, all oil come top of the expansion tank and is floating, then after that remove all top of oil, again do the process, maybe 3-4 times I had to do. This time I'm get your mind up, when you're going to sell the car, careful, don't try it at dark time. Even 3-4 people come and look at your car, don't allow them to check your car, because they will confuse you. Or if you have another person with you, it's a bit handy, because while you do the starting, while you look at them, other person also make a activity and they can look what the scammers doing. Always people not scammers, but careful, take action, otherwise this can be could life threatening also. Well, careful. Hopefully you got the good answer, because this is not a my covering area, but however I thought better to do like this video. Hopefully I can save your timing and your money. Thank you.